What's up, YouTube? We are working on our 1983 Buick wagon. As you can see, it's no longer by the garage door, and by that, she runs and drives now. I have the amazing mechanic on it. He does a very good quality job of fixing feeders like this. Gave him the opportunity to test his skills, and well, we got it to move, so we're pretty happy with that. So we can step right in. Let's return her back to base because we don't want to park it in the road anymore. So. Just like that, she lives again.